welcome back to JS Simple. In this video I will show you how we can use another tool to select specific points out of this point shapefile, and I will show you how to select points on the basis, for example, of the distance from another point shapefile. So this is, as you may remember, this is the Dr. Snow cholera dataset showing the distribution of cholera casualties in London, in Soho, in the 1850s. The blue dots, more exactly the light blue squares with a dot inside, are actually representing the location of the public water pumps. Now let's assume that we want to we want to locate points that are in a specific position. Let's assume that we want to locate points that are, say, 10 meters away from the nearest water pump. We can use another tool under the selection menu, is the select by location. In the previous video I showed you how to use the select by attribute, and in this video I will show you how we can use this other tool in ArcMap, select by location. So we can click on select by location. This window will pop up. So what we want to do is to find, for example, which location of casualties or cholera casualties are at a given distance from the nearest water pump. Of course, we are not taking into account the streets, and we are just considering a planar distance, the distance as the crow flies. And so we have to select our our target shapefile layer. So this is the cholera deaths. So selection method is select features from our cholera deaths point shapefile, and then we want to select the points that are, for example, within a distance of the source layer feature. The source layer feature in this case is the layer representing the location of the public water pumps. And then we click here, the distance in meters, and we establish a threshold. So we tell ArcGIS that we want to select points out of this cholera data shapefile that are at a given distance from the source layer. In this case, the source layer that we selected is the layer representing the location of the water pumps. And we want a distance threshold equal to, for example, 20 meters. We click apply. And as you can see, we can zoom in this part of the map. You can see that some dots will be highlighted, and these dots are the location that meet the criteria that we established. So these dots are the location of cholera casualties that are at 20 meters from the nearest public water pump. So our target layer, that is the layer from which we want to select the locations, is the cholera depth layer. Our source layer is the layer containing the feature from which the distance is calculated. And so we want to select the feature, the location of the cholera casualties that are 20 meters away from the nearest water pump. And so these are the locations that meet the criteria that we established. Or let's try with another distance. Let's say we want to select the location that are 100 meters away from the nearest water pump, And we have to keep in mind again that we are dealing with the planar distance. We are disregarding the distance along the roads and the streets. We click apply, and as you can see, these are the water pump. These are the location, the cholera casualties location, that are within a search distance of 100 meters from the nearest water pump. We can deselect this selection by clicking on the clear selected feature, and I will see you in the next video.